Alright, I got it running. It messed with me a little bit. So I had to adjust the valves. The oil was like really thick in it. I straightened that out. The coil ended up being bad. And then I bought that new distributor and ended up not working. So I had to put my spare bus distributor in there, and it's running good now. I used the new cap and rotor and my chrome plated old German 09. Might have to rebuild the carburetor. It's got a little stumble. Getting better and better as it warms up and runs a little bit though. I mean, it hadn't run in forever. So, that was pretty sweet. Stocker, you know, I mean, I guess, for 40 horse. Got a little to it. A little valve train noise, not bad though. Built the air cleaner there. I got to wash that, put some new oil in that. We'll put that back on there, and we'll turn the lights on and see what happens. I got a tag for it the other day. Got lights in here. All the lights seem to work. I hear something going up there, but that turn signal. Turn signal. Come on, baby. Come on. She doesn't want to flash that way, but that's a good start. Let's walk around and see what we got. Got a tag light. We got 2 tail lights. Look at that, man. This thing's just a champ. And we got 2 headlights. We got a typical 6-volt, ready for the war. She runs good. Sounds really nice, I guess. For a stocker, it's not too bad. I'll have to give it a drive and see how she sounds once it warms up. These are a little clado, a little noisy. These run good though. I didn't put any of the wheels or anything on it. I've been doing real estate deals, and I just got back over here and worked on this for a little bit. Hans came out and helped me. I had to get the 12-volt battery out to get to the bottom of it. So I actually used a 12-volt coil on this. It's a 6-volt car. I don't know if that's proper or not, but it had an imitation blue coil on it, and that's what was bad. It was just staying open. It wasn't breaking when the condenser would send the charge, or I don't know what the deal was. I think it was the distributor. I mean, that's usually the only thing that makes the points not break. They were opening and closing though, but it was staying solid on the negative side. So I got an ignition system that I knew it worked, and floated that on there, and it works really well. I'll shut it off and see how she starts. Turn the lights off. Starts right up. That's the generator light. Goes right out. It's you can see the lights get brighter as you rev the motor up. That's why I don't like 6 volts. It'll be alright to drive around a little bit. Throw the tag on there. I'll make a video or two, see how she drives, and go from there. I'm hoping somebody will buy it. I can get rid of it and buy that building over there, I guess. I don't know. I'd like to keep it. I don't want to paint it purple. But anyway, there we go. I wanted to show you the valve adjustment. But somebody, the Incredible Hulk, had tightened all the nuts up, and it was one of those that was fighting me the whole way. So I had to break them all loose with a torque wrench, get a long ratchet in there, and loosen all the nuts, and then free up all the adjusters. And I don't think they've changed the oil since maybe the motor has been freshened. It was just awful, just like sludge. So we're gonna have to do a couple oil changes back to back. I tried to flush it out and pull some of that nastiness off the bottom of the motor, but it was pretty dirty in there. So we'll do some back-to-back oil changes and drive it a little bit and see how she runs. Let me turn this off. It's gonna die. thanks for hanging out, and thanks for going along with the project there. We'll get it riding, and we'll go for a little ride video.